It's like walking through the chicken hood every morning. Jesus, see what I'm dealing with every morning. You still eye me up. You're gonna turn into a 10-piece. We're loaded. This one holds a mystery. The only way you can find out what we're getting into is to come with me. Jerry's trying to come with me. Well, here we are. Here's the next job. Look at this mess. So when I came to look at this, we got here. We were didn't get a chance to walk around. Oh, it's a damn jungle, but it started pouring rain. So all I could do is stand up there in that window and look out and see what we got. So I really didn't get a great description from the customer what she wanted. I guess just, I don't know. So yeah, this one's gonna be tricky because, man, getting my dozer up here, you've seen that, but man, the switchbacks. I don't think I could get my dump truck and trailer up here. I don't know, it's gonna be sketchy. And in this thing, I think the weight would be too heavy for those switchbacks, man. I'd be scared to take it. And I mean, they're tight. It's tight. If you look back, I did a septic up over the hill 2-3 years ago, and I have a video, but nobody watches my septic videos. But man, we just got an absolute mess. If the dozer was here, I'd feel way more. I just start figuring, you know, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be a challenging one, but every job wants its pound of flesh, and I don't see this one being any different. Let's get unloaded and start picking away at it. I'll tell you, this soil is pretty barren. Let's kind of scrape this stuff off, see what we got. Hopefully we don't fall in any pits or anything. Tell you how steep it is. I tried coming around this way and getting around my equipment hauler. This thing almost, I mean, this is a barren wasteland. I tell you, that's a barren piece of property. That's a wasteland. I can't even get off this edge. It's straight down. I mean, they just pushed all these trees over there, burned. It's a heck of a mess. I got a bunch of trees stacked in there. I kind of got this scraped in. I got some dirt laid out so I can hardly rake it up. Got a bunch of cedar. Everybody thinks, oh, we'll cut these trees, we'll keep them. They're just always in the way. Let's burn the son of a bitch and be done with them. Whole stack of cedar logs there we're gonna have to move. I don't know where they're gonna go. Got to find out where she wants to do with the rock, about that. So a lot of questions. I really can't do much more today. I don't know. I don't know where she wants to put stuff. I'm not moving it twice. That's all full of crap in there. So a little bit of scratching, that's what we're at. Let's go up here and walk around back and see what we got there. We gotta do some stuff back there too. Let's see what we got around back here. What the hell is such a big hole here? Last time I was here, Ishmael was here putting a septic in. Ishmael and Isaiah. One of them. It was beating rain like heck, and the health department guy just left. I can't believe he I mean, it was beating rain. I wonder why they ain't got the dang that's kind of odd. They ain't even got this covered up. They didn't use the right fittings. Them are household fittings. You can't use those. You need the deep couplers. That'll blow that apart. Be surprised if it works. What the heck they got covered up for? Who knows? But yeah, I guess we gotta do a little bit of grading up here. My brother-in-law Rudy's gonna do that, man. I honestly think I'm about done for today. It's noon. There's a lot of unanswered questions I just gotta figure out. I don't know. Man, they just throw garbage everywhere. Some contractors are such hillbillies. Like, look at this. They just burn their garbage right there. I don't know. That's just jacked up. Let's walk around this side. This looks like a damn mess. So I don't know what the heck is going on here. I don't know if I'm supposed to be grading this up or what. It's a hacked up mess. What the heck they got going on here? Out of that tank into that tank, pumped up. It's got a drain back, don't it? Oh, there's the inlet. That's not legal. Not hard 90 on the in. I don't think you can 90 on the solid end. Bands ain't on it. These are hackolas. I didn't even think the Amish could run equipment. They're out here whacking, hacking, banging. I don't know. I never was able to get by with that stuff. Look at this. I'll see you in court. I'll see you in court. If I put work out like this, there ain't no way I'd be in. Look at that. Yep. Look at that work. Look at that. Plead the fifth. Tell you, with this thing not having a key, I need to figure out putting a code in here. I don't like leaving it on these job sites.